Alright, so you want to make your images move in Adobe Premiere. Let's say you have an arrow that you want to animate. First, resize it if needed. To animate it, make sure your image or clip is selected. Then, head over to the Effects Controls tab. Here, you'll find options for position and scale. To start the animation, click on the stopwatch icon next to Position. This creates a keyframe at the current time indicator. Now, move a few frames forward in your timeline. Adjust the position values to move the arrow in the desired direction. Premiere will automatically create a keyframe for you. Continue moving forward in your timeline and adjusting the position values to create movement. You can move the arrow back and forth, up and down, or wherever you want it to go. As long as the stopwatch icon is blue, Premiere will create keyframes automatically whenever you make changes. Once you're done, play back your video to see the arrow move according to your keyframes, and that's it. That's how you make an image move in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more easy Adobe Premiere tutorials. Thanks for watching.